In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of Dropdown but keep text in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of tasks and status which are utilized by dropdowns. So in here, our goal is to remove the dropdowns in here, but keep the text such as the word to do, in progress, and completed. So to do that, the first thing that you would like to do is to simply select and highlight the range of cells where the dropdowns that you want to remove are located. After selecting the range of cells, simply navigate to the menu navigation and go to Data. In Data, go to Data Validation. In here, this will show the data validation rules for the dropdown that you have. So to remove the dropdown but keep the text, simply click Remove All in here. And now as you can see, the dropdown has been removed but the text remains present in the cell. And that's about it. That's how to get rid of dropdown but keep text in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.